Right, gearbox. Can I do this left-handed so my hand isn't in the way of the camera? Oh, interesting. Oh, that's the suspension there. I'll take it out just to show it. I don't know if I need to undo it to be able to get the gearbox apart. Probably not. Yeah, it's two little pivots. So I've got suspension. There's one of the springs. Yeah, I think I could do them back up again, because I don't think we need to have them loose to be able to get the top off the gearbox. And that might be convenient to have that held still and not bouncing around. Right, oh, just knocked the camera. I don't think I can do this left-handed. This is not natural. One. Two. Three. Four. And I think that's going to come off, is it? No, that is still held there. Oh, that's annoying. Right, there we go. Plenty of grease in there. That's our suspension springs. That's our motor. Pinion gear, bigger gear, smaller gear, and then that, which I'm not going to attempt to take apart, is going to be the differential. I say I'm not going to take it apart, just wonder if it'll come out easily or not. No, it doesn't want to come out easily. No, I need to get those wheels off. I'm not going to force the issue. It's possible there might be little caps on there that we can pull out and get screws off, but I don't think it's screwed in place. And I'd need to get that apart, or get the wheels off, so we could get the axle out with the differential on it. There are screws on this side of it, so it will come apart. So I'd need to get the wheels off. And being as it's a perfectly good working car, I don't want to force it and find that I've split the hubs. So we'll have to make do with that, guys. Differential in there. Intermediate gear. Which I've just slid out of place, that's better. Yeah, differential, intermediate gear, pinion gear, motor. I don't suppose the motor's got anything written on it that we can see. No, nothing written on it. And for people who like to know these things, so 23.84, so 24 diameter, and 27 long. If we go from there to there, 30. So is that 24 by 30? Thereabouts. And that pinion gear is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 teeth. I think that'll do. I think we've gone as far as we can without actually damaging it at all, trying to get those wheels off. And I think that concludes it. There is a serial number there, 3028001. And there's a similar serial number up there embossed in reverse. It's actually 3028000. But I think that's... Oh, now I just spotted some more serial numbers. In there, it's 321961. And there is something else under there that I can't quite see. And that's got 0290 on it. 2A. 2A and 0290. Well, I reckon that's about it, guys. I don't think we're going to go any further than that. Put those springs back in place. Push it down and put it back together. I'll screw it back together and then we'll check it still runs afterwards. I just thought, I didn't actually mention it. It's fairly obvious, but I should mention it. Battery box, on-off switch, positive, negative. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. Oh. They do confuse things when they go red wire, then to black. Yes. That is the positive, that is the negative. Negative to the on-off switch and then up to the receiver. Right, all back together. Turn the controller on and it might work. Yes. Seems to go faster in reverse than it does forwards. Yeah, so there we go. Rastar Infiniti G37, I think it said. I picked it up in 2014. Don't know when it was made, but it's a 2008 model. And before you ask, I have no intention of converting this one to hobby grade. Works absolutely fine as it is. I've no idea what range it'll do. It certainly works all right in here. So that's about 8 meters. I just think it does a bit better than that outdoors. Nice car. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.